Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to log out from your Messenger Lite account. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Since you can't actually log out from your Messenger app, first of all you need to go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down to find apps, tap on apps. Scroll down to M to find Messenger Lite, tap on Messenger Lite. Now scroll down, tap on storage. On the bottom of the page you can see two options, clear data and clear cache. To log out from your Messenger Lite, you have to clear all your data. So tap on clear data option so all the information on Messenger Lite gets deleted and it becomes brand new. Tap on OK. You have now been logged out from your Messenger Lite account. Enjoy.